In this video I want to show you how to use Bluetooth and connect it with XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite. First you need to open this panel and find the Bluetooth option in this page. I have it in first page and find it and click. And Bluetooth turn on, but you can hold it. And here you can change device name, for example this, and click on the check mark, and then you can connect to some device, for example this, click on it and connect, and click on the pair, and you can go to the additional setting and turn on this option using this slider. And that's all for today. We connect a XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite with some device. Goodbye.